Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Malou and I'm here in the lab of Natural Heroes at our HQ in Utrecht. And today we will be showing you how easy it is to make your own dry shampoo. The recipe is super simple and contains just a few natural ingredients, and I promise you it will only take you 5 minutes to make. I discovered this dry shampoo recipe basically by accident. I was playing around with powders for my baby powder and I found this perfect natural alternative to dry shampoo and I am in love with it. It smells amazing, it works and it's natural. So I'm really excited to tell you guys more about this and show you the recipe because I believe this shouldn't be a secret, right? So, our first ingredient is tapioca starch. Tapioca starch is a fine white powder, as you can see, derived from the cassava root, which is an indigenous plant from Brazil. In cosmetics, it is used as a thickener and texture enhancer. Basically, tapioca reduces the greasy and heavy feeling of oils and waxes. And when it's used in powdered form, like with this dry shampoo, it will act as an oil absorbent. It will remove excess oils from your scalp and refresh it naturally. Our next ingredient is arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder is also a fine white powder, which is derived from the roots from the arrowroot plant, and this plant is native to the Caribbean. In skincare, arrowroot powder is used as a thickener, absorbent and texture enhancer. In this dry shampoo, we are benefiting from the sweat and oil absorbing properties of the arrowroot powder. Magnesium hydroxide is a natural powdered mineral that originates from the solid mineral brucite. In cosmetics, it's used for its oil and water absorbent qualities. We use it in our DIY deodorant kit, for example, for its high pH that will prevent odors and absorb sweat. In this dry shampoo, it also does wonders to minimize excess oil from the skin, and therefore I've added it to the formula. Last but not least, the Kaolin Clay. This soft white clay originates from China, where it's mined from the Kaolin Hill for centuries. Why is it in a dry shampoo? Well, I've added it because it helps to balance the oil production of the scalp, and on top of that it gives a boost of volume to the hair, which is lovely in a dry shampoo. It also helps to detoxify and clean the hair, leaving it fresh just like after you've washed it. So I've basically chosen them, to be honest, for their scent, because I love them. Although, when I did some research on the cardamom essential oil while I was making this video, I came across some articles that claim that cardamom has hair strengthening properties. I don't know if this is correct, and I'll have to do some proper research, but hey, it sounds good, right, in a dry shampoo. It gives a really nice spicy scent to it, so that's why I've added it. The sweet orange is just one of my favorites. It brings joy, happiness, and just gives you a fresh feeling, like you've just come out of the shower. This is very exciting. I was actually looking for one of those dusting thingies for powder, and I realized I could just use an old container for spices. I've removed the stickers, cleaned it, and basically disinfected it with some alcohol. And this is going to be our container for the dry shampoo. It's recycled and you don't have to buy new packaging. So yeah, it's a win-win, right? So let's get started. We're finally going to start the tutorial. For this recipe, we will add 12 grams of tapioca flour. Going straight in. 12 grams of arrowroot powder. Also going in there. Then 12 grams of magnesium hydroxide. Get it in. And then 3.6 grams of Kaolin Clay. And now, all you have to do is mix it up. So, just mix all the ingredients so everything is combined. And then for the essential oils, I'm using 0.2 gram for each of them. This comes down to 1% in total, so 0.5% for each essential oil. This is what I usually use, basically to prevent skin irritation from essential oils. So yeah, just always be mindful when using them. So now, we're just going to add the essential oils to the powder mix. First, add the cardamom and the sweet orange. Oh, it smells so good. We're just gonna roll up this piece of paper. Okay, so now that you've rolled up your piece of paper, just put it in the hole and then scoop the mixture right in. Okay, and I was right, it's 40 grams. There's a little bit left, so maybe do 38 grams. Woo. So now screw the lid back on top, and there it is, your personal, natural, easy to make dry shampoo. I love it. I hope you do too.